Today, student, here we learn a very interesting uh, SAP ATM daily we use in the every ATM center daily usage. How to work ATM, uh, how to make ATM very easy. Learn it. First of all, we download Visual Studio Code. Then afterward, we create the folder. Then afterward, in the folder, we create the ATM.html. In the file, type HTML, animation tag. The head tag, meta charset, UTF, mechanic, viewpoint, and then with the initial step and get application. Right. Style the CSS. This is the CSS cascading style sheets. Margin, padding, box sizing, font color. This is the body, background, color, which color will. This is the ATM container, ATM container, brackets, brackets. Then the word container background color, and the radius, container, close one, brackets. Next, ATM header. What's the length and padding, alignment, background color. These in the ATM header. This space. Then afterward, the bracket then dot ATM header H1. This is a heading. Heading first every time H1. Font size 24 px. Margin bottom 1 px. Cut of the brackets close. Then dot ATM stream. How much stream we want it and which color we want. Then all the color, font size, other in the cascading style sheets, CSS. Very useful, very powerful also. Pairing on the px. From the chest. Next, font family, monospace, font size 18 px, and height 1.5. Next, for the registers, then dot stream, dot content. In this space, minimum height of content, display flex direction column, and input field diagram, constant, border 1 px, padding. Padding means distance, how much distance we want. Next, font size, background size, width, margin, border radius. Next, method, dot method, margin 1 px, height 1 px, keypad size, keypad, the ATM keypad, 1 to 3 5, 1 to 9 numbers, keypad size, grids, display grid size, grid template column, repeat, and text padding, and text, background color, whatever it may be you wanted, that color, will select it. Key size, key background color, border area padding, font size, font height, cursor, function, keep over, keep. Next, key active, function, repeat background color. This CSS code very useful and powerful to view very nice things over. Next, HTML code. This code, we have first of all the whole have to run the HTML. People can font and display all are in the HTML very using plus ATM container, using plus ATM header, or ATM mainly WATM, 24 hours from that WATM using using plus ATM screen content, or using plus SIVA. This is the HTML code is complete. Then afterwards, script.k. Script, this is called JavaScript. JavaScript is the whole running, moving, dynamically working. Then we use JavaScript. Java and JavaScript is very useful. Now, inanimate things moving, then you like to the picture. Then it moves dynamically. So maybe the mostly essential when you are stepping essential. Use this JavaScript ATM statement and the currency login number, pin, balance, transaction type, deposit, withdraw amount, input value, master. Previously, the whole functionality. This code is available in our description box. This the whole script and in the code script. Then body, the whole code in the HTML, so question lost HTML tag is used. Then the whole file into the same folder. Then we go to Windows File Explorer. In that folder, our file ATM.html. Then we double click on the ATM app is working very well. If any mistakes, without mistakes, then our app is running and execute this time. If any mistakes, did not WATM 24 hours from now. You ask to please enter your PIN. First of all, we enter the PIN. Then enter balance inquiry. For balance is 1500. Then line menu, deposit. Enter 1500 to deposit on our account. Then balance is 3000. If I withdraw, then our balance is 2000, remaining balance 10,000 deposit. This is still funds income because we make if we want to withdraw more amount than instruction balance to get it the same picture. We deposit the amount 10,000, then you will amount our whole amount is 12,000. And then we withdraw 1,000 rupees. Then our balance is 10,000 rupees. Our app is working very well. All app working very well. In this way, you also make the app very easily. In HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Very useful and very interesting. So many apps, websites, whatever it may be, you will make very easily. First of all, you will learn the code. Then after understanding the code, then you will make some changes. Stars, maybe will change and make it very easily. Thank you. Thank you all. Our app is working very well. The students in this way, so many apps we will make it with the help of the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. These are very useful. So first of all, we learn the code and to then we will make So we have some websites very easy.